This is the MIS LYNX conical connection implant. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the placing of an implant of a 4.2 diameter, 13 millimeter length in a hard bone. Each implant package contains a set of XD single-use procedure drills. The drills are packaged in a drill case and arranged according to the drilling sequence from left to right. Before you begin, uncover the blister and place the drill case on the sterile tray. The drill case lid hinges back to enable it to stand on the tray. Verify the implant size on the drill case to ensure you are placing the right implant. The XD procedure drills are 16 millimeters long and have visible depth markings to determine the drilling depth. The conical connection XD placement set includes the essential instruments for surgery: marking drills, drill extender, body try-ins, countersinks, conical connection insertion tools, screwdrivers, surgical torque ratchet, MIS LYNX orientation insertion tools. Orientation instruments for the MIS LYNX system are supplied separately and are not included in the kit contents. Start with a marking drill to indicate the drilling location. After marking the correct drilling spot, continue with the XD pilot drill. The XD pilot drill has a 2 millimeter diameter tip for precise positioning. Use the tip of the XD pilot drill to place it securely and drill to the desired depth. Measure the depth of the osteotomy with a body try-in. The next step is drilling with the 3 millimeter diameter XD procedure drill. Each drill features a step tip that precisely positions it at the osteotomy according to the previously used drill. Once the depth and angulation are determined, the step tip helps to guide the drill into the prepared osteotomy. Use the 3.5 millimeter diameter XD procedure drill to expand the osteotomy. The last drill in the sequence is the final XD drill, which is compatible with the implant dimensions and shape. Use this drill in a hard bone procedure. In soft bone, you may perform the sequence until the previous drill. Once the drilling is done, it's time to place the implant. Each implant is stored in an isotonic saline solution and features a wet surface. Uncover the implant's tube and remove the implant with an insertion tool. Then place the implant in the prepared osteotomy. MIS LYNX orientation insertion tools feature a flat surface that serves as a visual guide, indicating the proper orientation for implant placement. This flat surface corresponds to the flat side of the implant's neck. To complete the placement, use a surgical torque ratchet. The recommended torque for MIS implants is 35 to 60 Newton centimeters. After placing the implant, remove the cover screw from the upper part of the cap and screw it onto the implant. Tighten the cover screw onto the implant using a screwdriver. MIS, make it simple.